Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm stuffy, I'm puffy. It's the morning and I literally get like this every morning. So I'm gonna take you guys with me on my everyday type of routine. Some things I continue to do every day, some things I'm gonna be doing just spontaneously. So buckle up. Welcome to a day in my life. So before I do anything, get out of bed, brush my teeth. I gotta take the chicken out of the freezer. I'm gonna show you guys. Who in the hell put the muffins in the freezer? Well, there she is. A little marinated chicken breast. Leave it there. I'm gonna drink some water. I don't eat anything before I work out. I've been doing this for like the past 2 weeks and I actually really like it. Can't even do anything on a full stomach. Work out, shower, then eat. Oh, I have to wax myself too. So I think I might work out, eat, and then shower, and then wax. Cause like waiting 10 minutes in your sweat won't do anything. I'm gonna start off with a stretch. So I do Chloe Ting workouts every morning and I'm on day, I think like 12 or something. I remember when I look at the pictures on our website. Empty stomach, like I said, I cannot work out when there's even a little snack in my stomach. I can't. And then we are going to start off our day energized, fit, and feeling good. And I also wear a sweatband whenever I work out. It's not an ad, I just love wearing sweatbands because it actually really does the job. All right, I'm doing the hourglass challenge and that shit works. And my booty has been getting bigger and my waist has been getting slimmer. All right, it looks like it's all legs. Oh, today's a heavy workout. All right, let's do it. It's the longest workout.
Hey Google, play my whales mating playlist.
What?
Touching and use your glute muscles to open up your legs. This is great. Lift and bring your legs outwards, then bring them back in for a tap.
This shit looks easy. It burns. This just does not feel right. I can never do these. No.
Great job in completing this workout.
Thanks, Chloe.
Feeling the burn. If you have enjoyed that,
We felt the burn. Whew. Next workout. We got 4, so I'm on number 2.
Hey Google, play my whales mating playlist.
And alright, we've got 18 exercises, 30 seconds on and 5 to 8 seconds off. If you have resistance bands, you can use them, and there's variations for every exercise.
Long leg problems.
Mind-muscle connection is really
Mind-muscle connection, bitch. Mind-muscle connection.
Right,
What's next, Chloe, huh?
Do some angle
Alright, girl. Let's do some fire hydrants. Bro, frog kicks is a no for me. I literally could do everything. Burpees all day, planks all day. A frog kick? Bro, how do I even... This just don't feel right. No. That's a no for me. Bruh.
That's the end of the workout.
Thanks, girl. We have to do this one again and then another ab workout after. Alright, y'all. 3 out of 4 done. Bitch. I am feeling it. Okay. Feeling it. I'm gonna show you guys my sweat on my sweatband. That's the best ad.
Lift yourself up and bring both hands to one side, then back down, and then to the other side. Twist. Guys, now get onto your side and we're going to first do a...
Ow, what just cracked? Okay, alright.
Now onto the other side. We're just started.
Oh god. These are some like Spider-Man ass shit. Watch this. Bro, this is called a groiner? This is what I call Spider-Man. Right?
Great job, everyone! You did it!
Bruh.
It's not too hard, right? Hope you guys
what?
enjoyed that.
Bro. Bruh. Now I'm gonna stretch it out again because I like to stretch before and after my workouts. Alright. Oh, by the way, did you guys see my shirt? It says work out all day, twerk out all night. That was my shoe. I didn't fart. I mean, hey girl. It's my Gemini sister right there. Oh my god. Look at that. My sweatband is covered in sweat. That's nasty. I eat the same thing every single morning. Almond, honey bunches of oats. I personally hate anything with like walnuts, almonds, like pastries or cereals. I'm just like, But I decided to give this a try and it tastes so much better. Like the actual cereal itself is more like crunchy and like granola-y and you don't even taste the almonds. I really like this one. Like for people who don't like things with nuts in it, I recommend this because it's so good. So good. So at this time, I eat my cereal, respond to emails. I got my cereal, I got my laptop. Time to get into business. So I just got out of the shower. I'm gonna wax my arms because I don't like going to laser during the summer because you can't go under the sun and I don't want to get sunspots. So I'm gonna go ahead and I feel like I'm always waxing on this channel, I swear. I turned on the wax before I went in the shower, so now it's nice and warm. I like watching crime documentary Netflix shows. Right now I'm watching I Am a Killer.
Give me a check on how we function for family.
All right, back to waxing. Low key, I'm gonna take this olive oil with me because I lather in this after I wax. Time for lunch. This looks amazing. And that, a lot of people ask me what I use. That's Truff hot sauce. It's so good. But look how good that looks.
Spoke to Billy.
Billy? What you doing, Billy?
I've gotten a couple Christmas cards.
Perfect.
Over the past. My name is Mary Everhart, and I knew Billy.
That's what I'm talking about.
Because I could get into mischief with, partner crime, so to speak. It was
So good.
fun. I enjoyed Billy.
My upper lip is red. That's because I waxed it, so there's nothing's going on here. Let me tell you guys how I make this chicken. You have to try it. It's so good. It's chicken breast, but it's nice and flavorful. juicy, so good. So this is what I do. I meal prep every single week. I start off on Monday. I get my chicken breast, I get Ziplocs, and for each Ziploc it's each day. So I let it marinate in the Ziploc overnight in the refrigerator, and then I put the rest in the freezer. So on Monday I get my chicken breast, I put soy sauce, lemon juice, salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, cumin, 21 seasoning, paprika, cilantro, olive oil, and red pepper flakes. Mix that all around. Let it all refrigerate. Every single Ziploc, let it refrigerate overnight. The next day, you're gonna take out one Ziploc on Tuesday to eat, and the rest you put in the freezer. And then every day you wake up and you defrost the chicken by putting it in your sink, let it defrost by itself, and then you put it in the oven, 375 for like 15 to 20 minutes. So good. Oh my God. Now back to Billy. Why'd you kill your grandma, Billy? Bad influence?
His father, the vicious man.
Uh-oh.
Didn't think twice about hurting anybody.
Uh-oh.
My mom, because she's a woman and she's, you know, not as strong as him. But
by the way, I always put fresh vegetables on the side in the oven like I showed you guys. Any vegetable, whether it's broccoli, Brussels sprouts, asparagus, anything like that, cauliflower. This is what you gotta add: salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder, drizzle of olive oil, massage it, pop it in. That's it. And it's so good. He got it from his daddy. Genetics are powerful. Just
I
saying.
didn't see Billy. Just the little bastard. Excuse me. But that's what he said.
Alright guys, I think I'm gonna wrap it up. I will do another quarantine vlog if you guys like vlogs like this where it's actually full, because I can't take you guys with me to the rest of my day because it's a secret. Are you catching my drift? So I can't take you guys with me, but thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and of course, don't forget to subscribe to stay up to date with all my latest videos. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye guys.